Hey, what's going on everybody? Today we've got a simple CC variation I call a pop-up CC. I showed this briefly in a CC variation video, which you can also check out, but today we're gonna go a little bit more in depth. First, obviously, what you want to do is have a decent understanding of the basic CC. So make sure you get that down and then we can move on. Next, once you've got that down, we're gonna over-rotate a basic CC to the point where your body is basically facing the ground, almost like a push-up position with one leg up in the air. From there, you're gonna pop up onto your straight leg while trying to keep the general CC form. Last, you're gonna swing your other leg forward as you lower back to the ground to start footwork again. Some things to note: when you pop up, it's important to lift your hips up as you bring your leg in. This will just give you more space to bring that straight leg in underneath you. Also, during that pop-up motion, you're gonna have to transfer a lot of your weight onto your hands, so just be aware of how you're distributing your weight during this movement. In this version, I'm coming through with my other foot and sort of looping the movement, but as usual, it's always up to you to change things around and use the move how you see fit. As I say every time, try and learn the move, experiment with it, and try and figure out how it fits into your personal movement aesthetic. Thanks everyone for watching. Give it a like or subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content, and good luck creating. Peace.